Welcome to eLearnReady. Your score shows a strong preference for text-based learning. You excel through reading and writing, preferring textbooks over lectures, and are proficient in written communication. Here are some tips to maintain and enhance your skills. Tip 1. Engage in extensive reading. Continue to read extensively beyond your course materials to deepen your knowledge. Tip 2. Summarize and take notes. Summarize key points and take detailed notes while reading to reinforce your understanding. Tip 3. Write regularly. Practice writing essays, reports, or summaries to improve your written communication skills. Tip 4. Use annotations. Annotate your textbooks and reading materials to highlight important information and make connections. Tip 5. Join writing workshops. Participate in writing workshops or groups to refine your writing techniques and get feedback. Keep up the great work and continue to excel. Visit eLearnReady for more tips.